listen to this because they were really giving you what you deserve to hear. And that's what I'm trying to say to you, and that's what these women don't understand. I'm trying to take out that reasons of pimp so they can question you. Listen to what I'm saying, so they can speak to you appropriately. You are not accepting that we do have love for you, regardless if you're black or white. We love you as a human being. And we can see that you are making mistakes that in the future will hinder what it is you're claiming you're going to do. At this current moment, you are going through the process of denial. That is actually what happens when people hit
you. Do you speak for everybody or yourself?
I'm speaking for myself, as in how I process what you're doing.
So why are you saying we? Why are you saying we?
But I also agree and back up what he's saying, because it's not that we hate you.
See, number one, that's why I say we. Because listen, let me just make him understand this. It's not we as in everybody agrees with me. It's we as in a perspective. That's
but Nature Boy, have you ever heard someone say, in life, just in general, have you ever heard somebody say, if more than one person say something about you, then you the damn problem? So you got all these people, so many people saying the same things about you, and you asking us if, and you saying that we are demonic people because we have questions, and that don't mean we hate.
Listen, it's a lot of people that's idiots. If you on the internet, you can see it's a lot of people that are stupid, dumb. You want to know how smart people are in groups? If a whole bunch of people do something, it's intelligent. Go to your supermarket. Why is there only a small section of organic food? You know why? Because people buy the other shit more. It's supply and demand. Most of your supermarket is not organic. You got a small section of organic. If everybody only bought organic, the store would be forced to be filled with organic food. But people keep buying the bullshit. Most people eat fake food, and they're fake people. The crowd. You want to see who everybody follows on this app and what they're talking about? You see the biggest broadcasters on this app? Go in their room and see what they're talking about. See if it's angelic. See if it's something that lifts your spirit or is something that's positive. I guarantee you the top people on this app, if you go to where everyone is following and where everyone's at, you will see is ignorance. Y'all niggas are going on a narrative that has been promoted about me. You don't know me. You know he said, she said, clips, and they'll clip a piece of this and clip a piece of that. And I heard you say this and I heard you say, you don't know me. I don't know you. You literally don't know me. And you don't have to agree with me. It's not your job. Your job is not to like other people. Your job is to like yourself. Because if you like yourself, that love you have for yourself will trickle over to loving other people. That's why you have to, I'm unconcerned if you love me, if you like me, because most people don't like themselves, let alone like me. Y'all saying stuff that I explained. Y'all just keep saying stuff that don't make sense, and you're over invested in someone else's life, which is weird. Super weird, to the point where you're getting emotionally driven, to the point where you are on your screen right now with a fucking Scully on at 2:30 in the morning. Nigga, it is 2:30 in the morning. You got a bright ass light on with a Scully on, fully dressed, ready to fucking argue at your phone. You a grown ass man. This is not that important, bro. You are in London. Nigga, there is plenty of women to protect in London. There's plenty of crime. There's plenty of people doing the wrong thing in London for you to get on BO and find somebody in America, some hoes in America to save. Nigga, if you don't get your silly ass, you just tell people you just like and admire me, bro, and you want to be like me, bro, or you see yourself in me, bro. Just tell the truth, bro. What's really motivating your silly ass to be sitting there right now, 2 o'clock in the morning with full energy, ready to give a fucking. I don't give a fuck about what Nature Boy got going on, nigga. I'm just being all the way real. This ain't no deflection. This is the This is reflection, nigga. This shit is weird, and you gotta call a spade a spade. This shit is weird, bro. And y'all, and I noticed that y'all minds are very deep when it comes to getting your point across. But is it very deep when it comes to you motherfucking taking time to look at yourself as you doing what you doing? Can you take a deep look at yourself right now? What the fuck are you doing? You're in a room with clothes on, sitting on a fucking bed or a chair, staring at your phone, dog. Staring at your phone, grown ass man or woman, arguing with people in your phone and not getting paid for it. Arguing with people in your phone you don't know. Grown ass man, grown ass woman with your stinking ass. Probably got doodle crumbs in your butt cheeks right now. Your butt probably stink right now. And you, no, literally, like, your butt stinks right now. Like, your booty hole stinks. Have you thought about that? Your butthole stinks right now. And you on this goddamn phone talking shit. So room smell like ass. All of y'all, your nasty asses, go take a shower and mind your motherfucking business and drink some water. Leave me the fuck alone. Stop asking me deep questions about my life because you care about these women. If you cared about the woman, you wouldn't be disrespecting them. You wouldn't be disrespecting the woman if you care about them. You come up here and just straight disrespect these women. These women ain't do nothing. Remember, they're the victims. See, y'all retarded. First they the victims. First the women are the victims, right? Then the women are not the victims anymore. Fuck them bitches. Them bitches ain't shit. Them bitches this, them bitches that. Y'all don't know if y'all trying to help these women or just degrade them. Which one? Because one minute you saying the woman need help, they brainwashed, and the next minute you calling them bitches and hoes. You need to make up y'all mind, bro. This shit retarded. Man, y'all either trying to save, you Captain Save a hoe or disrespect a hoe. Which one?
Listen. First of all, they said Whitney Houston was smoking crack and that bitch was smoking crack, right?
No, she said crack is whack. She's too rich for that. So she was doing cocaine. She said that. She said she was doing cocaine, honey. She said crack was whack and she too rich for that. Okay? She was doing cocaine.
That Whitney was smoking crack with Bobby.
She was doing cocaine.
Bitch. Crack,
cocaine,
whatever the fuck it is.
Two different things.
At the end of the day, it is what it is.
What do that have to do with what we talking about?
They ain't got nothing to do with anything.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought.
My thing is, you calling that's crazy that you, Nature Boy, that you calling us demotic. That's crazy. It would be demotic for us to not be worried about another woman who we just want to make sure she okay.
Don't y'all see that the big ass mouth?
Only people.
Bitch, don't. But bitch, you ain't saving nobody over here. Bitch, you is not saving nobody over here. You can't do shit. But watch and give irrelevant, unvaluable comments. Because you're not changing nothing. It ain't what is your objective of coming up here giving your opinion? Is it to make a change? Well, it's ineffective. So you're wasting your time. You need to find out how can I really help these women. If that's your objective. But I don't think your objective is that. I think your objective is to taunt me. I think you're here to try to taunt me. In any way. If you could use the woman, you could use Malia's child. I believe, and it's been going on for years, nigga. You try to use everybody around me to get to me. Guess what? If everyone here was to leave here, you would still try to find a way to fuck with me. But someone's gonna have to deal with nature, boy, my nigga. I'm a human being. Someone's gonna be my friend. I'm gonna get some woman in this world to fuck on me. Somebody gonna fuck on me. Somebody gonna be my friend. Somebody gonna be around me, bro. I'm not gonna just be somebody with nobody around me for the rest of my life. Y'all act like I'm not supposed to have nobody in my fucking life. That's what y'all would want. Y'all would want me isolated. Because that's the objective, right? Is to taunt everybody around me until everyone's gone. And then make me feel like no one loves me in the world. Right? That's the objective of the spirit that personifies through you as you speak. It's a demonic spirit. Their objective is to get everybody away from me and that cast me out so that I hate myself completely and kill myself. That's what they want. This is what the devil want me to do, and y'all watching this live. But I'm a king, nigga. I'm a god. You can never break me because you didn't make me. I'm still standing. I'm still strong. 6 years into this shit. And I'm still standing. I'm still strong. You couldn't break me. You couldn't break me. I'm still standing. I'm still strong. Y'all want to break me.
Cause y'all not giving y'all
is not
shit over and over, bro. Say something else.
conflict white as snow.
Oh gosh, y'all so
Y'all
funny.
niggas. Oh my god.
We just want you to be a lot better. Act like you got things. And treat people around you with respect and dignity.
Girl, we can't even hear you. Your mic fucked up.
Boo, you far away, boo.
I thought that was
It's
somebody's
like on
TV.
a fucking airplane.
The thing. True, you have a lot to say. True, you have a lot to say, but you're the same person that follows another man. You need to worry about that.
And you the same person
follow
who got this channel.
If
And
he
fucking-
would,
Girl, you need to have several
I second
seats. You
that
ain't getting no
motion.
dick.
You need to have several fucking seats.
Several,
Did you
have
say that
several
about
seats.
Malcolm X?
This channel.
Just donate.
Right.
Just donate.
Did you say that Malcolm X was a follower of another man? Did you say that about Farrakhan? Because they both honored Elijah Muhammad. You say that about Bruce Lee and Ip Man? There's a lot of people that follow other men that agree. You don't say that about people that go to the military. Hell, you don't say that about your husband who got to go to work for a damn factory. He work up there at the factory. He working for another man. You don't say nothing about that. Y'all need to get y'all mind right, man. Cause y'all sound ignorant.
Agreed.
Nature, I was trying to say something to you earlier.
Tap my
And
bag.
I was trying to express to you that on my page we were speaking about you and the things more or less the things that you're saying now, in the way that you're speaking is what me and the gentleman was saying when we were speaking about it. Sorry, is somebody? I'm not sure if the person was speaking. Yeah, basically, you keep saying if people love you, and you keep saying we're demonic. We're not demonic. The point is you're not accepting that we're taking a look at what you're doing, and the analyzation we're getting from it is that you are somehow imposing a negative onto these people. Here's what you need to understand. If nobody loved you, the people that are with you wouldn't be with you. They love you, but it's as if you're taking advantage of the love that they are giving to you. You're not treating these people with the same love that they're treating you. They seem to have more love for you than you seem to have for them. They seem to have more.
Yeah, but you're not watching me with the right mind and perspective, bro. You don't know what I'm doing. You have no idea what I'm doing with my life. You looking from the outside and making your perception from who you are. People see you through who they are. So your judgment about me is the way you gonna be judged because you looking at yourself, bro. You ain't seeing me for who I am. I'm a public figure, bro. It's all kind of people that see me through who they are. Hey, you think I'm sitting here explaining myself to every single body that misunderstand the thing that I said or did? I don't have the time. You don't like me, keep it moving. Why do you stay around? You're not making anything shake. You're not making anything change. You're not bringing any change, and you're not bringing any awareness, nigga. And you're not making nothing jump. It ain't nothing. I've been the same way for years, nigga. It ain't going nowhere.
Okay, G. Look, let me say this to you first. I've just got here.
Shut the fuck up.
How could you possibly, Nature Boy? Do you believe that do you believe that those women love you? Just answer that question for me.
My ideas of love is different than yours.
I mean, but you know what type of love? You know what love I'm talking about.
No, I don't know your love. I don't know what your love is because
the meaning of love is what I'm talking about.
I don't think you know what love is. I don't think you know what love is because I don't.
If I was a
no, I don't. Shakes.
I
don't think you know what love is because had you known what love was, you'd be giving love right now.
Right.
I'm not doing anything bad. Ain't nothing I did.
No, and I'm saying that your definition of love and my definition of love have to be different because your response to me is not loving.
Exactly.
What am I doing that's not loving? What's my response to you that's not loving? What am I doing?
What I'm saying is you're judging me. That's not loving. You're judging.
I have not judged you. I asked you a question.
Okay, do you know what judge means?
I asked you a couple of
questions. You know what
like
judge
y'all
means?
not gonna
you the
change
one keep saying we
life.
judging.
Like y'all not gonna change this man's mind or nothing.
No. Honestly,
I guess what I'm saying to you is to judge means to form a conclusion about. You don't know what the word judge means? Judge is to have an opinion or form a conclusion about somebody. To judge. The definition of the word judge is to form a conclusion about something or have an opinion about somebody. Did you know that? Here, I'll educate you. Since you didn't know that, this is what I'll do for you. Right? Check it out. Judge. What does that say? The word judge, it says it right here. It's to form an opinion or conclusion about. So, with that being stated, you have formed a conclusion and you have an opinion. Like you said when you came up here, I have my opinion. And I asked you how valuable that was. Your opinion means that because you have an opinion, you have a form of judgment because you came to some kind of conclusion about me. Therefore, you're passing judgment on me. Do you know what judgment is? When you form a conclusion or you form an opinion about somebody, you judge them. It's education 101.
Oh, God. How many of y'all think y'all can change his man and his women? Exactly. Ooh. Y'all better not raise your Anybody? Anybody think that can happen?
You can't.
Who's talking? Who's saying it?
The only person
that's who. Poom.
Person. And that's if he want to be changed, and he got to do that for himself before he could do it for anybody else.
That's a fact.
And
but my
is
thing
who
is,
he is. Period.
he sat here and judged us too because we came up and gave us.
I don't give a fuck about Nature Boy's opinion towards me. It ain't
me
gonna
neither.
change
But I'm just
me.
saying,
I'm just gonna sleep
you
at
can't
night.
contradict him. You can't contradict yourself. If you gonna be judging people too, then why you saying that we judge?
I never judge anyone. I'm simply making an observation as far as defending myself. I'm being attacked, and I'm defending myself. I'm not making a judgment. I'm simply defending my character by pointing out flaws in yours. Period.
I mean, that's real. Yeah.
But how do you know any of our flaws if we don't what type of flaws do you know of ours?
Your flaws. Jesus Christ.
He just said that.
I'm saying
he just tried to defend himself. Like y'all attacking him. Like
but who's attacking him? I came up here and I simply said, Nature Boy, I don't have a problem with you. I don't have a problem with Malia. But I gave my opinion on with the situation with her child or whatever.
So I didn't even know she had a child,
but I just came up here and I said that, and I was very respectful. Never said nothing bad about this man or nothing.
You have an opinion, right?
Yeah.
Your opinion about me is a negative.
When you have
your opinion about me is your opinion about me is a.
It wasn't even about you. It was about Malia.
Well, and just.
But it's still my life.
What?
Hey, but you know it ain't.
I'm just saying, if I'm the demonic person, and I'm the demon, then how come y'all are being so demonic?
How are we being demonic? Because
my thing is this: one, you mentioned Nature
because y'all
that we are not to judge. And I get
everybody on this
that's
panel
what Scripture
sinners,
says, but you cannot take one Scripture and allow that to stand alone, because Scripture also says that we are to judge a fruit. We should judge a tree by the fruit it bears. You are bearing fruit in which we are called to judge you on. So with that being said, stop using one Scripture and trying to base the whole religion off of that one Scripture. That is not the case when you talk about the Bible and Christianity. Also, my next thing was, you said, oh, well, you guys don't worry about them being beat. That doesn't matter. But
wait, hold on. I want to address the first thing. The first thing was judgment. It did not say not to judge. It says, judge not that ye shall be judged. It didn't say not to make judgments. It says the same measurements you use to judge people, to form your judgments, that means to come up to your conclusions or to have your opinion, how you formed your opinion. The same measurements you use to make opinions about others, those things by the laws of the universe, as karma, those things will be judged. They the same measurements. Like if you wasn't patient with somebody to get to know them, and you judge them with what you heard, this and that off the surface, or what you thought instead of getting all the information, that was your measurement to come up to your conclusion or your opinion. The same measurement you use to judge others. Did you do a thorough investigation? No. You don't know all the details, but you came to a conclusion. Those are the measurements you use to come to a judgment. Those same measurements will be used to judge you. That's the law. It doesn't say not to judge. It says be careful how you measure when you judge others. That's what it's saying. So you slow down. It's not saying not to judge. It's saying how you measure to make your conclusions about somebody will be the same way it's measured upon you. Okay? Now let's get to the next thing you had to say, basically.
I got
my next topic was, people are quick to say those women don't, that ain't none of our business, or whatever the case may be. Again, I'm going to speak what I'm going to say, and I'm going to stand on what I say. If you are quick to say that, you cannot yell out your mouth, Black Lives Matter. Because when the police is beating a black man, you are quick to jump on their case about beating a black man. But then we see a black woman being beat, you are quick to say, oh, that has nothing to do with me. So don't take the same...
Then again, when have you ever seen me beat a woman? Period. You see what I'm saying? Have you ever seen me beat a woman? Yes or no? Has anybody on this panel seen me beat a woman? Or have you just heard stories of it? Have you ever seen me do it? You see, you came on here. We know we seen George, what's the name, get beat down. We seen it. You never seen Nature Boy put his hands on nobody. Yet this is the way you measure and come to your conclusions. You believe it. You believe it. You never seen it for yourself, but you believe it. Because somebody said it, or I seen a picture, or I heard a clip. You said you would. But did you ever see me do it? No, so shut the fuck up.
Okay, what you're not gonna do is tell me to shut up. Okay, so let's just get that out the way. Second off, I didn't have
imagine
to
this is how a guy
if the fruit showed me after what happened. If the lady
man, y'all act like y'all ain't never heard
you did it. You did it. There's no more to talk about. You did it. I don't have to physically see you beat this girl for her to show us her bruises and then say this is what Nature Boy did. Just like with Christ, I don't have to physically walk.
So how many crazy women out here that want to be vindictive and get angry? We know women, right? When women are angry with someone, they want to get you back. They'll do anything to hurt you. That whatever they can get to hurt you, they'll try to hurt you. We know this is history. Whether it's your money, whether it's your children, whether it's your property, they're coming to get you. When a woman's fed up, or when she's scorned, or when she doesn't get her way, some women make up lies. Have you ever seen a thin line between love and hate? There's really women out there like that. So again, you're assuming you don't know shit. You wasn't there, and it like I said, the same measurements you're using to judge me, the universe will use to judge you when it's your turn to be judged. So be careful, because karma will come back to you.
In which I would stand on everything that I've said to you, Nature Boy. I will not be manipulated. I will not back down from you. I said what I said. You are truly sickening to our generation and to our nation, and you are cancerous. Nature Boy.
Again, this lady is in her emotions about something she cannot prove. None of y'all can prove it, because none of y'all have any footage or any videos that show me beating a woman. You have none of that. You just have stories. You've seen none of it. I don't give a fuck what you feel. It's not good enough in court, and it's not good enough for objectivity for you to make a decision about. For all you know, I'm getting fucked over. For all you know, I'm the one being fucked over. Because I ain't never asked none of these women to come into my life. They asked me to come over here. I don't recruit. It's not what I do. I'm going to start recruiting. But I just wasn't in the beginning. But now I've changed my ways and the ways. I need to start recruiting. That's been my fucking problem. I need to recruit a bitch, because I've been letting women just come that come, and it's been fucking crazy shit. I need to take my time and pick a bitch and recruit her, because that's what I realized I've been going wrong a lot. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I should have recruited, but I just didn't. All the women that came to me. I never asked nobody to come to me. They all asked me to come here. That's the whole fact. There's certain things you don't know. There's certain things you're coming up to your judgment without all the information. And it makes you look stupid from my end, because I know the truth. I know the absolute truth. And I don't give a fuck about what you think about me, because I'm a man and I stand on what the fuck I do. And I'm a good man. So I don't have to explain myself to y'all like that. But what's not going to happen is you disrespecting me in my face and me just letting it go on without challenging y'all.
That's what I'm saying. It's so many men like Nature Boy out here that y'all don't even like pay attention to. It's so many men that's out here with
because
wives,
they don't broadcast it.
Yeah, like what are y'all even talking about? Like why is y'all on his throat? Like at his throat? Like it's like I don't get it. It's hella men out here that got women, multiple women.
Right.
They worse than me. They way worse than me. They were like, I'm be chilling.
That's just like if a female want to have 5-10 husbands. That's how she chooses
exactly.
Her life. It's either you gonna accept that person for who he is, or you gonna not mess with him.
And I know y'all watch TV. They got a lot of shows with sister wives. You know, men that got wives that have sister wives. Like y'all don't watch that. I don't understand.
Right.
Y'all act like he got them out in the goddamn woods drinking juice. That might have went over y'all heads. But yeah.
At this point, I think number one is just a hater. Like,
wait, stop right there. I
think he's invested.
Can I ask you a question quickly? Do you know how dumb you sound?
You're obsessed.
Stop
you're
right
obsessed
there, number two. Number two.
You want
number
to be
two, number
him.
four.
You want to
Let me
be
answer
Nature
the question.
Boy.
Continue.
You want to be Nature Boy.
Continue. Look how dumb you sound, you silly woman. Now let me explain why you're a dumb woman.
Like, do you
Let me
know how
explain why
many
you're a
men
dumb
have
woman.
wives?
Can I explain?
Let
She's been
multiple
waiting to
wives.
argue with you. She's been waiting
There's
to
a lot
argue
of
with you.
men
Let
out
me
here
explain
that
why
have
you're a dumb
multiple
woman then.
wives.
Let me explain why you
men
have
out
just
here that
given
have
us why you
multiple
just
wives.
checkmated.
Go attack
You have just
them.
checkmated
If
yourself.
you put a razor to your
Go
skull,
attack
you
them.
get the lint off.
Okay, cool.
attack
Whatever you
them.
say, bitch. It's amazing
Go
how you
attack
can
the other
criticize me.
men.
It's amazing how you can criticize me, but nobody can criticize Nature Boy. See how much of an idiot you are. You have just blown your own.
Because you act like he don't.
Yo, I'm open to positive criticism, dog, on shit that's reality. I'm not open on criticism that has nothing to do with my actual situation because people don't pay attention well enough. And y'all just coming up here just for clout. You don't pay attention to my life long enough, and I'm live every day. Every fucking day. Like, and to the people that follow me on a regular basis, you sound dumb. Because they vibe with me every day of the week. And we be turned having a good ass time. Yeah, we have our moments, our real nigga moments like everybody else, like human beings do and should. But for us, we vibrate pretty peaceful. We have an understanding of what we're doing. And I'm not hiding nothing. This is what it is. Y'all just trying to like create clout and create shit. There's people, like, I literally be live with my life all day and night, nigga. Niggas watch my life, watch the girls, talk to the girls, everything. Where the fuck y'all be? Where the fuck y'all be? When we be opened up, we sit here, show you my whole fucking house, everything that's going on in my house. You could never show us every part of your life because your shit would be a laughing stock. Y'all barely have nothing to judge me on anymore but my past. Y'all bringing up old shit. I'm getting greater right in front of y'all. I'm growing right in front of y'all. I'm getting greater. And y'all bringing up old shit. Yo, my nigga, it's 2022. Like, leave that shit in the past, bro. Who am I today? Judge me by that, my nigga. Y'all judge me by old shit you heard and shit. You don't know who I am. You feel me? Judge me by the day, nigga. Fuck is you talking about?
Listen, brothers.
Y'all, only the righteous can judge.
When you're being judged, these same women jump up here and they say you shouldn't be judged, and they keep asking these women why they speaking on you. And now these women being the hypocrites that they are, and because they got a crush on you,
you're a hypocrite.
stop talking, you single.
Ain't no crush.
Stop talking. You ain't even nice enough.
Hey,
You are not nice enough to.
Who's allowed to judge?
It's the Nature Boys.
Ambition, how you really arguing with females, bro? You a grown ass man, bro. You on the panel really calling females names, bro. Aren't you supposed to be like greater than that? You sitting over here chatty patty arguing back and forth in your emotions. That's masculine. That's real masculine. Your Scully real masculine. Yo, look at this nut ass nigga. Boy, you really want to turn, huh? You really want to turn to speak? Fuck out of here, man. Let this nigga out his kettle. This nigga is a fucking
shit.
Nothing he say is valid, okay?
It's funny.
Yeah, it's masculine.
Because he's
fucking dead. Number
Number
one, who got the right to judge? Number
You're
one.
a master of deflection. Let's get back to the conversation.
Who got the right to judge? Number one.
Rob, listen to me.
Where's your women at, number one?
Answer my question. Who got the right to judge? Number one.
Where's your women at, number one?
Yeah, where is your woman? You watching me? I got a whole bunch of women around me, bro. Where's your woman at? You arguing with women. I got women. Where's all your women at? You staying in somebody's room. You renting a room? This nigga renting a room. Or you in a halfway house? Boy, where's your woman at, boy? That's a good ass question. I ain't never thought about it like that. Where the fuck is your woman? You be on Bigo all day with no one. You ain't never pop up with a woman yet. Yo, you need to answer that.
I'm not worried about that. That's a falsity. I'm not even, bro. Don't even talk to me about chicks. You date little girls. Don't even talk to me about women. I date.
Okay, what I'm saying is, where's your woman at?
You want to know? She's on her way to work. She's taking her kids somewhere. And my other one's doing the other thing, and the next one's chilling, blah. But they're all over the age of 22. Trust me, they're one in their 40s. You know what I mean? We date big women over here. You're a baby boy. You date little girls, man. That's why these little girls run around.
Okay.
You're a baby boy.
Okay, next time.
Wow.
Well, next time. Well, look, next time, show us how the big dogs do, dog. Show us your life and make me look like a puny something. Yeah. Show us that. Show us your life for real. Do they live with you? Turn your camera around. Let's hear this nut ass nigga.
Stay there, nigga. Listen then. Listen.
How many wives you got? Yo, go.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Did I just want you to wake you up?
Yeah.
West Side. I'll call you back.
No. Let's ask you some more questions. Anybody could call a girl up and say that. I can do that.
That's not your business. That's not your woman. That's not your business. So don't talk about my women.
It's not my business now.
Now, how old is your things, though? How old is your things? We're talking big man talk, Ray boy. You're dating little pickaninnies.
Everybody over 20.
Anybody can run them, girls. Anybody can run.
Let Tyler up here. He'll come back up. Then you put the queen in her seat. Come on. And then you can come back and get a number 5.
But his women, his business though.
Right.
Exactly.
His woman, his business. But my,
you asking about other women, like that's somebody else's wife.
Like we don't even.
It's not appropriate to ask
he
about
said
other
it's
women.
not your business.
Why did I sit next to you?
Keep questioning him about his women though.
Exactly.
Exactly. Well, why the fuck are you doing it?
I'm talking about you.
Say again. Say what? What do you mean? Where my women at? What? They're free people.
Why they not sitting next to you?
Because they're not my
business. Why is his woman your business?
What? I'm not talking about his woman.
I'm not even.
And why is my woman right here with me, living with me? And why is your woman not living with you? That's a great question.
Right, exactly. That's all I was asking.
You don't gotta live with your man.
What woman, bro? I didn't know what you talking about, bro. I'm a
with your goofy ass. You was a goofy. Number 5.
I don't do all that madness you do. Nigga, I'm confident enough. Listen to me. I'm confident enough to let a woman go do what I'm gonna do. I'm confident enough.
The gag is he's in jail.
I don't have to chase.
Bro, listen. The truth about the matter is, you talking all that talk, but we don't see nothing, homeboy. Your woman don't live with you. You don't got no woman. See, until a man living with a woman, it don't really matter. Whatever you doing with a woman, if you ain't living with her, it's play, nigga. It's play. Well, my woman been living with me for years. We've been living together for years, nigga. Do you live with a woman? How can you tell me anything about a woman and you don't live with one? Tell me that. You don't even live with a woman, goofy. This nigga doofy.
Nah, I just explore. I'm an explorer, nigga.
I'm a goofy goober.
Now you're trying to do to me what you say we can't do.
You might as well go.
I thought you said
you might as well go to Disney World. Number 5.
A man having multiple women. Number 5.
Yup.
Can you ask the question when I say?
Who's doing that?
Yup. Like your boy, I love you so much.
Said, I thought you didn't believe
ain't got
in
no,
a man having multiple women.
He ain't got no type of motherfucking empire.
Okay, so let me answer that question. Can I answer the question, please? You're asking the question. Here's what I said to Nature Boy, and now Nature Boy can confirm this, because when me and Nature Boy spoke as men, I already said to Nature Boy,
now y'all speaking as men.
Let me just say this, please let me say this. When I spoke to Nature Boy, when I spoke to Nature Boy, listen to me.
It's not even funny.
At the end of the day, we're here talking about Nature Boy. Can you see why
you can leave the panel?
Why there's only women in the panel? Because this is women behavior. Nature Boy, I've spoken to you and I've given you my comprehension on what it is you do.
Why are you still talking, number 5?
Number 5, you do this like...
Bro, listen, bro. You know why it's women on the panel? Because I deal with ladies. I deal with women. You talking to a real alpha that deal with females. You know, females come up here, they curse me out. Females come up here and say, I love you. But I'm dealing with them. I deal with women, nigga. This is what I do. You can never have a panel full of women. Never. Because you's a goofy, goof troop. Your new name is Goofy. We gonna call you Doofy, nigga. Your new name is Doofy. Because you's a doofy ass nigga, yo. You feel me? You see all these women, I could pack a room full of women and hold their attention. Even if they mad at me, they arguing. I could pack a room full of women. Can you? No, because you's a doofy nigga. You watching a real nigga trying to criticize me, so to try to learn my ways, try to become like me. But I'm constantly dealing with women. It's women sleeping all around me. Women just crawling all over me. They can't get away from me. They arguing about me. They hate me. They love me. It doesn't fucking matter. I'm still dealing with a woman. Where is your woman at? You feel me? You got to understand that. Where your woman at? And if you think that you're giving me a bad compliment by talking about my woman, the young woman is the smart woman these days, because they ain't got the traumas. So, like, I don't even know why you think these young niggas is smart. They way smart. They making way more money. They don't have to get an education. We figured out ways of making money. This generation is smarter, nigga. These women are smarter than the older generation of women that are old bots that come from an old world where there was no computers, there was nothing, no technology. These motherfuckers, the young motherfuckers, they come with less glitches, period, nigga. And you wish you can get some young woman, but they would never mess with your doofy ass, nigga. Look at your goofy ass. Look at this nigga. He laughing because he know he goofy. He know he goofy. Come on, man. Oh my, it's ladies, because I've got women around me, nigga. This pussy.
You're lying.
You scared of it?
No, you don't let nobody talk, bro. This is your...
Nothing but some pussy.
I didn't come here for the women. That's what you're good at. That's what the guy said.
Oh, you came here for the woman.
No, I want to see. Dog, let me just make my point.
Number 1, I'm dead.
Listen to me. I bet you. Okay, Nature Boy. I bet you anyone.
Goofy niggas.
Number 1.
Exactly.
You look like a goofy.
Listen, stop it, number 1. You lying to me. Stop it, number 1. Number 1, you can smell the alpha. Number 1,
they got the same teeth.
Can I answer that, honestly?
If you was the alpha, you wouldn't be out here talking about nature.
Can I answer that honestly,
I'm talking to
please?
nature,
You're a
but
beta.
not about nature.
Shut up.
Number 5, you think you're an alpha man, but you always on here riding his dick. That's not alpha man behavior. Do you see Nature Boy on other men's panels talking shit and criticizing what the fuck they doing, what they like?
Psychologically,
that is not what alpha men do.
I'm supposed to take advice from somebody who has that picture on their page.
Number 5, what you doing to help?
No, take advice from Nature Boy. That's what you need to do. What the fuck?
What are you doing to help? Number 5.
Number 2 is
you need to take some advice from the Nature Boy.
Number 5, what are you doing to help?
Number 2 looks nice, though. I'm not gonna lie to you.
What are you doing to help?
What are you doing to help? Number 5.
Can I talk then? If I get to speak to Nature Boy,
been talking and you won't be.
Nature Boy don't want to talk
nothing,
to you.
Though.
So then, how do you know this?
I'm talking to you.
Okay.
Why?
You always on here.
What are you doing
like,
to
how
change
much do you
it?
need to say to him?
What am I
Really?
doing
You said
I'm
enough.
fucking dead.
He's trying to feel better.
What you're saying, because
He's trying to feel better about himself. That's all.
yeah, I am, sweetheart.
Yo, if you Google why when I Google goofy men, you look like the nigga on there.
Now take a look at our
That's exactly what I said.
Take a look at our facial structure.
Goofy man.
I'm
You
fucking
look like a
Goofy
track
men.
star.
And look at the images. This nigga pop up. Why does your facial structure pop up? Yo, you look like
These are the women you attract, though. These are the women you attract, though.
Called
Yeah,
humor.
it's funny. The woman with a sense of humor.
Am I supposed to feel
Right.
insecure in front of these
Because
women?
laugh a little.
Lay in bed with me. Am I supposed to? These women like you attract. these women find it.
I just want to know. I still want to know, what are you doing to change anything?
Exactly. Childish. This is the alpha male. He's looking at
why we put in goofy black men?
Nature boy.
You look like the niggas under goofy black men.
Nature boy, what were you saying about the other day?
Look, nigga, you look like the nigga under goofy black men.
Yeah, I look like him.
Yeah,
look at these women, they're just going mad. They love the British accent, they love the thugginess, and they don't know what to say. And they know
where are they at? Now you know you fucking lying.
Right. You've never been to the UK or seen it.
What can you do for them women?
Is that
not my man Chris Rock? Oh, come on.
They got him under there.
What can you do for them women?
Got him under there.
There ain't nobody to you.
Okay. Number five. What do you plan on doing to rescue
Is that a gap?
women?
Would you like me to explain to you what I actually do?
Yeah. What are you going to do to what? So what is your problem with Nature Boy? What is it?
What is he going?
He got.
How are you changing anything?
And he ain't got. He can't.
So why you always on here preaching and criticize? I don't understand.
Because he probably want to be over there. That's why.
Because I be watching.
He want to be over there so
So
bad.
you're always on here. So
you want to get an invite over there?
I don't come on here to criticize him.
That's why anyone standing next to him.
Watch this. Ambition. Which one of my wives you think is the prettiest?
Yeah.
Show me.
You already know.
Like.
What you mean?
I don't know.
They probably look better than any hoe you ever looked at.
Listen to me.
You capping. Stop
childish.
capping. Why are you sitting here lying? That's the funny thing about it. Like, you know damn well you know what all his wives look like. Stop capping, bro.
You're so right.
Number five. Why don't you show us pictures of your girlfriend?
The fuck? Like, we grown.
Where's your wife at?
Let's see pictures of your girl.
What
they making him a new hat.
What do you mean, what girl? The girl you just called.
That seems to be more.
Nothing for her. That's why she in her own house.
See how you seem to be able to go.
You see how you didn't answer our question, so we keep deflecting because you keep deflecting because you ain't answer our question. How are you helping these women or anybody or the situation? What are you doing?
That's
not you want to know if your girl has been abused? Let's ask her.
Hey, Donna Paris, stop cheating.
My girl has never
have no women. If
we don't know that.
Woman, he'd be
and so how do you know that?
Yo, number five, you don't never take that fucking hat off though, bro. Every time you go live, you got that same hat on.
Really? How'd you know this?
You got all types of marks in your forehead.
How'd you know this, dog? How'd you know I always got the hat on? How'd you know?
Because you always around him. You always trolling him.
Where'd you find these
fucking old fart?
Now you mad because
I'm not trying to get any clout. I'm trying to conversate.
And nigga, they ain't even your real
That's
accent.
Conversate
From
is
America.
not a real
Fuck
word.
out of here.
It's because it look like that on there. That's why.
Good luck with that though. Seriously, if
they said that's what your hairline look like.
Somebody said this was my forehead.
Hey, Booba G, what up, nigga? What up, nigga?
That's why he ain't got a woman.
You already, nigga. It's been a minute. I know you been running. Yo, how much I gotta give this nigga to take the scully off? Show everybody that is.
Evo Lottie got more head than
that
body.
Do that. Hey, Donna Patterson, I beat you to it.
It's okay. I got a
forehead. Take that condom
too.
off, dickhead.
I got a forehead too, so it's okay.
Where are these women's husbands?
Could you answer our question first? What are you doing to change anything? Where's your wife? We asked you two questions.
You don't want to know about.
You can't even answer them.
Okay, here's what I've done.
Oh yeah, remember he said his wives ain't none of our business. So you should stop asking about his wives.
Bro, you on a panel arguing with
Number five. Any man that I would want would not be on another man's panel.
Arguing. Ladies,
feel free to jump in my inbox looking for a side.
No man to be on another women's panel.
All right, here it is. Show your crib right now, bro. Go ahead. We're going to give you the full screen. Show us your room. Show us your room right now, bro. So we can see how you live. So we can tell a lot about a person, how they live, right? So show us your room right now, bro. Just turn the camera on and just show us your room.
Listen to me. Don't try to deflect. I'm living good.
Bro, show us your room, bro.
Doggy, don't try to deflect. I'm not a you. You might be.
Look, like he getting mad now. That boy getting heated.
I'm not mad. I'm
Turn your camera around and show us your room, bro.
You're trying to get your cheerleaders to back you. Let's me and you talk like this for a minute, so we can see who's the alpha man. Dog, listen to me. Let's me and you talk like this for a minute. Let's see who's the alpha man or not. Bro, just before you came, listen to me. 9 years ago, you were.
Let me ask you a question, bro. Let me ask you a question, bro.
Go ahead.
Would you be willing to not only take off that Scully, but show us your room?
Okay, if you answer a few questions I ask you, I will do anything you say. So now listen to me, Nature Boy. Here's what I see when I see.
No. Wait.
Can somebody finish a statement before you stop them? Can I talk? Can I just say what I see when I see you? Listen.
All I'm saying is, do you agree that if I answer your question, that you'll take the Scully off and show us your room?
Boy, can I? Yes. If you let me, I already said that.
I can tell by that.
I already gave you an answer. You're not allowing me to finish. You're still deflecting.
You live in a hole.
Now you've got the women quiet. Let me just make my point. Listen to me, Nature Boy.
You're living in a hole, bro.
Listen to me, Nature Boy. You are a guy that before you came onto the internet and started scamming people, you're a barber. I don't know how a barber can talk to me, bro. You've never done anything worth talking about. You probably bought your first Benz in 2000 and something. So stop talking like you're good. See, now you let the women off the chain. You're
because shut up.
That boy mad, boy. That boy won't show us that Scully, boy. That boy mad, boy. Look, he left.
He was hella
deflected. Now y'all know that nigga weak spot. Hey, now y'all know y'all nigga's weak spot. Take off the hat, show us your room.
I wanted to see the curtains. They was giving me Beetlejuice guy.
Donna is cute. Let her up.
he mad because.
Oh shit! It's Little Bill. Oh my god! Get the fuck! It's Little Bill.
What's wrong, G? What's wrong, G?
You gotta wish the man a baby head.
What the fuck is that?
What's wrong?
He look like
Yo, you sounding like that nigga head look like a thumbnail.
Boy, I just screenshotted your head. Fuck you talking about? It's Little Bill. Y'all got the same teeth and head. Fuck you talking about?
Who is this?
This nigga
look like Little Bill.
Who is this? Big Bill? Is this
Yo, bro,
that's Big Bill. Yo, change your name to Big Bill. What you talking about?
The best your girls can come up with.
You should have kept that fucking hat on.
Yeah, I will do. Is that the best your girls can come up with, Nature Boy? I bet.
Alright, well let me see your curtain. Alright, can I see your curtains in the background? Let me see the Beetlejuice curtains in the background. Let me see the Beetlejuice curtains in the background.
Can you mute the women so we can get back to it then, Nature Boy?
Look at you with Big Bill.
What?
Women so we can
He don't want to talk to you.
Alright, I'm out of here.
Can you
You are a beta. You cannot talk to an alpha.
Play little games on the internet.
What?
Emotionally.
Yo, turn your head to the side one time. Turn your head to the side.
Why they got no eyebrows?
Oh, I ain't got no eyebrows.
Bro, turn your head to the side for me real quick.
Why don't you like your normal hair?